Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you interested in learning about artificial intelligence but don't know where to start? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing some of the best AI free courses online. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an exciting field that is constantly evolving. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. And the best part is, there are many free courses available online that you can take to learn more about it. Before we dive into the free AI courses, let's talk about why you should take AI courses. First, AI is an incredibly in-demand field, with many job opportunities available. Taking AI courses can help you develop the skills and knowledge needed to land a job in this field. Second, AI has a lot of real-world applications, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants. By taking AI courses, you can learn how to apply AI to solve real-world problems and make a difference in the world. Now, let's move on to the free AI courses that you can take. There are many online resources available that offer free AI courses, and we've compiled a list of some of the best ones. Let's start with some of the best free AI courses available online. First on the list is Coursera's Machine Learning course by Andrew Ng. This is one of the most popular AI courses available online, and for good reason. The course is taught by one of the pioneers in the field of AI, and it covers a wide range of topics like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, neural networks, and more. This course is suitable for beginners and intermediate learners. Next up, we have X's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence course. This is a great course for beginners who want to learn about the fundamentals of AI. The course is taught by two of the most renowned AI experts, and it covers topics like search algorithms, probability, machine learning, and more. If you're looking for a more advanced course, then you should check out Udacity's Artificial Intelligence for Robotics course. This course is focused on the application of AI in robotics, and it covers topics like path planning, localization, and control. The course is taught by experts from the Georgia Institute of Technology, and it requires some prior knowledge of programming and calculus. 4. Stanford Online. Stanford Online is the online learning platform of Stanford University. They offer several free AI courses, including artificial intelligence, principles and techniques, and machine learning. 5. Google AI Education. Google offers a variety of free AI courses and resources on their AI education website. Some of the popular courses include Machine Learning Crash Course and TensorFlow for deep learning. 6. IBM AI Education. IBM offers a range of free AI courses and resources on their AI education website. Some of the popular courses include Applied AI and AI Engineering. Taking AI courses can be a great way to develop your skills and knowledge in this exciting field. And with the free AI courses available online, there's no reason not to get started today. We hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.